Hello, this video is going to help you set up your paper using MLA format. I'm going to go step by step, but feel free to rewind and rewatch and check your paper to make sure you're on track. So you can go back as many times as you need to. The first thing that we're going to do when we're creating an MLA document is we're going to make sure that our font and font size is correct. So the first thing you need to do is you choose your font style, that's the style of your letters, from either Times New Roman or Arial. Now it defaults to Arial when you open up the document, so you can choose between that one or Times New Roman. You might need to go down and look through your list and pick Times New Roman from that list. Those are the two that you have to choose from, Times New Roman or Arial. They're both academic fonts. The second thing you need to do is make sure that your font size, the size of your letters, is set to 12. So make sure that it's 12. And then you're ready to create your header. So how you create your header is you go up here to Insert. Click on Insert. Go down to Header. Now you're going to see your cursor, this blinking line. It might be over here for you on the left-hand side. You need to make sure it's on the right-hand side. So these lines right here, they'll move your cursor from the left to the right. So make sure that you've clicked on the right align. That'll move your cursor over here. So to create your header, you actually just type in your last name and a space. That's it. Then you go back into Insert, and we're going to do a page number. So this will automatically number the pages of your essay. Go down to page number. You're going to click on this first box that has the page number in the upper right-hand corner of each page. Click on that one. It's going to automatically number it for you, so you don't need to type in any numbers yourself. Once you have that, click out of it, click into the middle of the page, and we're ready to start our essay. So we're going to start with our heading information that shows that this is your paper, what class you're writing it for, and what date it's due. So the first line is going to be your first and last name. To make it go to the next line, all you need to do is click Enter or Return. Don't click the space bar a bunch of times, just click Enter or Return. It'll go to the next line. The next line is your instructor or your teacher's name. Type in his or her name. Click Enter. The third line is the class that you're in. So this is a video for English Language Arts 7. So I'm going to write English Language Arts 7. We'll say period 1. Type yours in. The last line, click Enter again. The last line is going to be the date that it's due. MLA format has you write the date in kind of a funky little way. So how you do that is you do the day first. So if it's due on, say, December 12th, you're going to write 12 first. 12, the day, December, the month, and then the year. No commas. So 12, December 15th. Day, month, year. No commas. After you do that, click Enter twice. Okay, here's where we're going to write our title. So we don't want to start over here on the left. We actually want to move it to the right, to the middle. So we're going to go back up to where we can align our cursor. We're going to click on Center. Click on Center. It's going to move it over there for you. Now you can choose if you want to bold your title or underline your title. Can't do both, just one. Either bold or underline. I like bold, so I'm going to do bold. And then I'm going to name my essay. Okay, this is my essay about Eleanor Roosevelt. It's a research essay. So here's my title. You can always come back and change your title if you don't like it. I'm not sure if I love mine yet, so I'm just going to have that be my working title. I can always change it later. After that, I'm going to click Enter twice, and then I'm going to move my cursor back over to the left. Okay, this is where I'm actually going to start my essay. Before I start my essay, though, I forgot to do this right at the beginning. I'm going to highlight everything I have so far, and we need to double space it. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can either go to Format, I believe, and go to Line Spacing and click Double. Or you can go up here. I'm going to highlight it again because it came unhighlighted. Up here to More. And you see this up and down arrow with the lines next to it? That's your line spacing. So you can also change it through there. That's how I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to double. Okay, so it spaces it out for me. And now I'm ready to type my essay. So make sure that you indent your first paragraph. All of your new paragraphs need to be indented. You can do that by pressing the Tab key. Look for the Tab key and go ahead and press that. And then you can start writing your essay. Make sure it's unbolded. Mine already had it bolded, so you can make sure it's not bolded. And you can start. And you are done. Your essay is all set to go.